Hey guys, I'm doing a short review here on the Fox rear shocks that I put on this Ram 1500. I am running the Superlift 4-inch suspension lift with Bilstein shocks up front for another 1.5 inch lift. These are 36 by 15 tires on 20-inch rims. I've got no rubbing in the front. I've clipped the front valence a little bit, but it gets close but doesn't rub. These are 10-inch wide rims, negative 24 offset. So I'm running, like I said, Bilsteins up front, 4-inch lift. In the back here, this is what the review's about. I've got the Fox gas shocks, Fox 2.0 gas shocks in here, and I've also replaced my rear traction bars with an upgraded performance part, but you can see the Fox shock in there, bolts right up to the factory locations, and you can see I've got plenty of travel. This part number is the appropriate part number for a Ram with a 4-inch rear lift. I have airbags back here now, but basically the rear lift on these Rams is just the coil, the longer coil on the rear end. So absolutely love these Fox shocks. They've improved my towing substantially, and they delete all the bounce that you get with these Rams after replacing the factory shocks with the lift shocks. They're just cheap, and you go with these Fox shocks, you really get a better product in the end. So absolutely love Fox 2.0 shocks for these Ram 1500s with lift.